Welcome, I'm Yves Doucet. Today we're going to talk about breath and the importance of breath on the mat and off the mat. So we're going to talk about two different kinds of breathing, Ujjayi and box breathing. And Ujjayi is basically breathing from the nose and exhaling from the nose. And the purpose of Ujjayi, or the intention, is to build fire, or to make the body become alive and aware, right? So I'm going to first start by explaining Ujjayi. And Ujjayi is used during your Vinasana, during working, when you're moving. It's to awaken the body. Yeah, that's the purpose of it. So Ujjayi is, the way to explain this is, imagine that you have a mirror in front of your face, yeah? And you inhale through the nose, and then you exhale and you look for the fog in front of the mirror. Ha! And then halfway through the breath, close your mouth, and you'll see that the exhale comes from the back of the throat out through the nose. So you're inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose, using that like back of the throat kind of feeling. So let's just try that out. You're inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Close your mouth. It gives you kind of this like wave feeling, like inhaling and exhaling in the back of the nose or the throat here. And the other important factor in Ujjayi breathing is the belly. So if you look at your belly, take 3 fingers, put it underneath or below your belly button, and you're trying to pull into your belly button here, like that space right below those 3 fingers in your belly button, and you pull in when you're exhaling. So inhale through the nose. As you exhale through the nose, pull in the belly button towards your spine. Shoulders are back, spine is erect, and you're pulling back. And we're going to do a few of these, right? So you can actually touch that place with your hand if you want to, just to practice it. You can also practice with the fake mirror or even a mirror if you want to. So we'll do 5 of these breaths. So breathe in. Pulling in the belly button to the spine. Breathing in again. Breathe in again. And exhale. Breathe in. And exhale. Last one. Breathe in. Yeah. How does that make you feel? You can pull in, you can see that your muscles are pulling in, your shoulders are back, your spine is erect. So good. And so how does this relate to dieting and food? It's helping you basically build the inner fire and helping you get into movement. So one of the most important things, of course, is doing some exercise and breathing through that exercise, becoming conscious of your belly and conscious of that breath, enabling you to actually do the exercise and get you out of the mindset of like, I want to eat that food or open the fridge and do something. So the most important thing when you're doing this is to be conscious of your thoughts. So the second type of breathing can be used to bring you present and this is box breathing. And box breathing basically allows you to become here and present to this moment. So why is that important in dieting or like in losing weight? Well, mostly we react, and that's why we eat bad food and we got off our diet. So we have a thought that comes from our past, out of regret maybe, out of shame maybe, and that thought brings us to a behavior of leading up to eating the food that we don't want to eat. And the cycle continues, then you punish yourself for that, like reaction in life. This box breathing brings you to this moment, this present moment. And box breathing is very simple. It's 4 breath in, 4 breath hold, full breath exhale, and full breath hold. So you inhale for 4 seconds, you hold for 4 seconds, you exhale for 4 seconds, and you hold for 4 seconds. Now, the most important thing about box breathing is as you exhale and hold, again, you're taking your 3 fingers underneath the belly button, pushing like that finger in, and you're pulling, as you exhale, you're pulling in the belly button into your spine. And as you're holding that belly button into your spine, you're sending a signal through the vagus nerve to your pineal gland to calm down, to get out of reaction. So we're gonna do 5 of these breaths together. Take your 3 fingers, put them underneath your belly button, touch your belly button over here, roll your shoulders back, shoulder blades together, your spine is erect, yeah? And just breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, full exhale, pull your belly into the spine, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, pull the belly into the spine, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, pull the belly into the spine, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 3, 4, and hold. Exhale, pull the belly into the spine, and hold, and relax. Yeah. I hope this was useful. Again, Ujjayi breath is when we're going to do the vinyasas, the asanas, when we're going to be moving. And you can use this at any time that you want to move, right? And the square breath, the box breath, is used when you want to come to the moment and see that you are reacting and you want to eat that pizza, you want to eat that donut, and you just come here and you see that you're just reacting so you can forgive yourself. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope to see you soon.